Have you ever wanted to travel the world but felt held back by the costs? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm sharing 12 best travel hacks to help you see the world without breaking the bank. From booking smarter to packing lighter, these tips will make your next trip smoother and cheaper than ever. And stick around for tip number 10. It's an absolute game changer. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. Let's dive right in. 1. Book flights smarter with Google Flights. Google Flights Explore feature is a hidden gem for budget travelers. It allows you to compare flights across different dates, helping you find the cheapest options. You can also set up alerts to get notified when prices drop, perfect for saving big on international and domestic trips. And don't forget to use incognito mode for flight searches. Google and airlines can track your browsing history and raise prices. Avoid this sneaky trick by searching in incognito mode. 2. Pack light and avoid extra baggage fees. Packing light is key to avoiding extra baggage fees. Use packing cubes to organize your items and maximize space. This way, you can fit everything into a carry-on and skip the hassle of checking a bag. Plus, you'll save time at the airport. 3. Use compression bags for bulky items. Compression bags are perfect for packing bulky items like jackets or sweaters. They compress your clothes, making them easier to fit into your suitcase while keeping everything organized. This is a great way to travel with just a carry-on even in colder climates. 4. Label and track your bags. Always label your bags inside and out with your contact information. It's also a good idea to take a picture of your luggage before you check it in. Also, attach a Bluetooth tracker like Tile or AirTag to your luggage. If it goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is. These small steps can make a big difference if your bag gets lost or misplaced during your travels. 5. Set fare alerts with apps like FareDrop. Instead of constantly searching for cheap flights, let apps like FareDrop do the work for you. These apps send you notifications when flights from your home airport drop in price, saving you hundreds of dollars without the hassle. 6. Secure your belongings at airport security. When going through airport security, place your important items, like your laptop or passport, in the middle bin, sandwiched between your personal bag and carry-on. This way, your valuables are less likely to be misplaced or stolen. 7. Mark your luggage as fragile. Who likes to wait for his or her luggage for long minutes, sometimes hours, upon arrival and to find it damaged? Nobody, I'm sure. So do this if you decide to check your bag. Always mark your luggage as fragile. Even if it's not, marking your luggage as fragile ensures it's handled with more care and often placed on top of other bags, meaning it will be one of the first to come out at baggage claim. 8. In-flight comfort essentials. Pack a foot hammock or even a partially inflated beach ball to elevate your feet during long flights. Also, bring a spare pair of dry socks and a toothbrush. Don't forget to bring also a neck pillow, earplugs, an eye mask, a travel blanket. They make a world of difference in sleeping comfortably on long flights and in feeling fresh after a long haul. 9. Smart seat selection. If you prefer priority boarding, choose an emergency exit row seat. Not only do you get more leg room, but you also get to board first without needing extra status. And always book the second row if there are 2 exit rows. The first one doesn't recline. 10. Middle seat hack. Here's the game changer. If you're traveling with a partner, book an aisle and a window seat. There's a good chance the middle seat will remain empty, giving you the whole row to yourselves. An upgrade without the extra cost. 11. Carry-on only. Fly carry-on only whenever possible. Delayed baggage is common, so keep a complete outfit in your carry-on just in case. A well-packed carry-on also gives you the freedom to move around quickly and avoid baggage fees. 12. Personal bag selection. Choose the largest personal bag that fits under the seat in front of you. This can hold enough for a weekend trip, allowing you to skip luggage fees altogether. If you need tips on what to pack, let me know in the comments and I will create videos about it. And there you have it. 12 travel hacks that will make your next trip smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget travel hacks. And if you have a favorite tip that I didn't cover, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.